Go ahead and subscribe if you're checking this out, and you'll be able to get all of my updates. This is 24-foot privateer. I've basically replaced this entire deck with Coosa board. Got the remaining 2 feet left back here to get some, the sump pump and a few other things going. Today what I did is bond this. We're basically extending the gunnel all the way around, and so I've got that bonded in, and I'm going to eventually glass it over. I've got all my pieces cut up here. Gonna put a good 4 layers of biaxial and some matting over this. I just finished glassing the transom here. I've got a layer of biaxial and matting, and then some light roving that you can see kind of hanging off. My scissors are garbage at the moment, so I just didn't feel like trimming it up. But that gave me a good clean smooth surface, smooth-like surface. And then once this, and the glass extends right up here, this transom, you can kind of see the blocks in there, is raised from the original. So once, you can kind of see the height difference here too. So once this is dry, I'll grind out the edges on both sides of the gunnel, and then I will layer up a few pieces of fiber until this is level, and then overlap and tab into the original surface on the gunnel. So that is going, and then what have I got left? Not much. This project is just about over. It's been a long haul. Aside from the transom and gunnel here and the deck, which will probably be the last thing. He's supposed to put on a swim platform and engine mount in the back here. That's why this is left open. You can, so they can bolt it in. And the only thing that I have left as far as fiber work is this hatch up here. We are real close on materials. You can see that little piece cut out there. That I've got to bond, and then I'll glass over and shape it, etc. And that will pretty much be it. I think this guy is either going to finish this up himself or bring it back. So again, go ahead, subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Thanks again.